How to cancel Fubo free trial. If you've signed up for a free trial of Fubo and decided it's not for you, you can cancel it before the trial ends to avoid being charged. Here's how to cancel your Fubo free trial step by step. Step 1. Log in to your Fubo account. Go to www.fubo.tv on your web browser. Log in using your email address and password associated with your account. Step 2. Access the account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Select Account Settings or My Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to Subscription Details. In your account settings, locate the Subscription and Billing section. Click on Manage Subscription to view your current plan details. Step 4. Cancel the free trial. Look for the option to cancel subscription or cancel free trial. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the cancellation. You may be asked to provide a reason for canceling. Select the appropriate option and proceed. Step 5. Verify cancellation. After canceling, you should receive a confirmation email from Fubo indicating that your subscription has been canceled. Ensure the email specifies that you will not be charged once the trial period ends. Optional step: double-check the cancellation log back into your Fubo account and check your subscription status under Account Settings. The status should indicate that your subscription is canceled or that your trial will not auto-renew. By following these steps, you can cancel your Fubo free trial and avoid any unwanted charges.